Using a Sezzle virtual card is a straightforward process that allows you to make purchases online while spreading payments over time. Here's how to use it. Sign up for Sezzle. If you don't have an account, visit the Sezzle website or app and sign up. Provide necessary information and link your payment method. Get your virtual card. Once your account is set up, navigate to the card section in the app or website. Here, you can generate a virtual card. Copy card details. After generating the virtual card, copy the card number, expiration date, and CVV code. This information will be used for online purchases. Shop online. Visit any online store that accepts credit cards. During checkout, select the option to pay with a credit card. Enter card information. Paste the Sezzle virtual card details into the payment fields. Ensure that the billing address matches the one linked to your Sezzle account. Complete purchase. Confirm the order. The purchase will be processed and you will receive payment terms from Sezzle, allowing you to pay in installments, manage payments, keep track of your payment schedule in the Sezzle app.